My name is Dirk Boessmann. I'm with SAP. I'm responsible for mobile development. Here, all the technology pieces out of the SAP portfolio. If it is the SAP mobile platform, the HANA Cloud Platform, mobile services, and our mobile secure portfolio. So the complete enchilada you need to do really an end-to-end mobilization.
So tell me about some of the key products that you're working on right now.
So key products we are working on it, as said, it's first it's the end-to-end mobilization, and in that we have our mobile secure cloud with the different elements of the mobile device management, of the mobile place, for which looks like a enterprise app store, but it's at the back end. It is really a mobile app management and a close integration into MDM and the back integration into the development environment, where we come to our SAP mobile platform, where we, in an on-premise fashion, deliver the API aggregation abstraction of complex APIs for doing offlining, for doing authentications and all the good stuff you need to do for mobile. And here, what is really the beauty is, on top of it, we have a harmonized SDK and APIs, which are the same for our cloud offering, the HANA Cloud Platform Mobile Services. So here, when now the company talks about HANA Cloud Platform, when it goes mobile, it's our mobile services. And if, as a customer, you start with us on-premise with the SAP mobile platform, you will see the same APIs and SDKs. Your app will maybe even run more or less immediately on the HANA Cloud Platform. And for your people, it is the same development experience as before. And on the development experience, we are currently working heavily with our colleagues in SAP together on the Web IDE, the HANA Cloud Platform Web IDE, which you can use really on Fiori apps to extend them, to build your own Fiori apps. And what we deliver into is, on the one side, all the mobile services so that you can immediately see them and in a full-fledged IntelliSense mode get it resolved when you type in a command. And at the same time, we offer what we call the hybrid application toolkit, a way that also a hybrid application developer has a very nice test and debugging environment without having the hurdle to get a complex native development environment installed.
So when you're developing your mobile strategy, what's the first thing you're thinking about?
What things will? No, okay. What is the first thing I'm thinking about is what is SAP about? SAP is making businesses run simple, so it is about the business, and based on my charter in the company, it is about mobilization. So what our customers at the end want, they want to have an end-to-end mobilized business process for their advantage, so that things go smoother, easier, cheaper, faster, whatever it is. And these I have to ensure. For these I have to build different technology stacks, I have to provide different servers, different cloud services, and different development environments. But at the end, it needs to be an end-to-end experience that our customer can achieve what he really wants. Because he doesn't want to do mobile device management as such, or mobile application development as such. What he wants to do is to give his workforce, his partners, his consumers an outstanding mobile experience for his and his customers, partners and employees' advantage.
So Bill McDermott, in his keynote speech this morning, said businesses, it's no longer a business-to-business market, it's now a consumer-to-business market. What do you think he meant by that?
I think it's, for sure Bill haven't discussed with me before what he wants to talk about it, but I felt immediately in love with him, because this is exactly what we are about. With mobile is a device of the consumers, and we enable the businesses which run SAP to get onto the devices of the consumers and to be in a close touch relationship with these customers. This is what it is about, and what he really means is the consumers today have power and decide very fast, and you better are aware of it by mobilizing, by having certain insight analytics, by even having predictive capabilities. And we have this mobile piece of it.
So what do you think is going to be the key takeaway of this show, the Sapphire Now show?
It's a business network. It is really the business network, and that it is something different. And I think this, coming back to Bill's keynote, it isn't anymore about a special software service for Salesforce automation or something. It is that you're in this multi-dimensional world of business networks with other companies, your partners, your employees, and most important, your customers. You are tightly connected with them and you deliver them an outstanding experience in that environment so that you can decide very fast to do it right and simple. And I think this is the message to take away from this Sapphire. And I'm proud to deliver an end-to-end cool portfolio for mobilization, for SAP in-house, and for all of our customers.
So what device makers are you working with, and what role are you playing in the development of some of their products?
So for sure we support, we are a little bit Switzerland when it comes to the operating system questions and device questions, but for sure we also work closely with the different vendors. Samsung is a big partner of us. We talked about it last TechEd. We just recently announced our partnership with Google on Android for Work, where we very closely work together from day one to really help here with our insights into the business to bring Android closer into the business. We work closely with IBM on the mobilization also in the Apple environment. So I think it's across the board, as it is always as the Switzerland. We work with all of them and we make it the decision of our customers.
So it seems SAP has its hand in every industry, from sports to social media to business intelligence. Is there an industry that you would like to see them get into?
An industry we are not in.
Yeah, I know. Does it exist? Are you going to go to space exploration next?
I'm pretty sure that more clever analysts immediately find another slicing and dicing of the global world economy to give me a market where we are maybe not that strongly in. I think we have a good coverage, and I want to be in the markets which are relevant. And I want to collaborate with a lot of partners and enable them that we also get into the micro horizontals and verticals, because I think this is always SAP plus a very strong ecosystem, which is key. So is there an industry I want to be in? No, I like all of them, and I'm always surprised in which I'm already in.
Perfect. Anything else you want to say?
Yeah, what do I want to say? It's really what is key is the end-to-end mobilization, really here the understanding, getting the apps done end-to-end, nicely developed, maintained, managed, and an end-to-end seamless experience. This is what we work hard for, and where I hope that people look into it and give us a lot of feedback, because it's a consumer business.